Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the Fourier series analysis of output voltage, that is the phase voltage and the line voltage of 180 degree conduction mode 3 phase inverter, right? So in the last video we have discussed about the phase voltage waveform and the line voltage waveform. Okay, the phase voltage, the nature is it is a stepped waveform. The line voltage is a quasi square wave. Okay, so here the phase voltage it is having from 0 to pi by 3 value is vdc by 3, pi by 3 to 2 pi by 3 2 vdc by 3, 2 pi by 3 to pi it is a vdc by 3, and again the same is repeating at the negative half cycle. Okay, so if you check the line voltage waveform, it is a quasi square wave. We have already done the Fourier series analysis of this type of waveform, that is a quasi square wave. Okay, this line voltage waveform, yes, it is a similar to that of the single pulse modulated V0 waveform. Okay, the only thing is, yes, here the line voltage waveform or this waveform VAB, yes, it is advanced by a pi by 3 radian, advanced by a 60 degree. Are you getting the point? Okay, so what is the delta here? Delta is equal to 120 degree. Okay, if delta is 120 degree, yes, then which harmonic can be eliminated? Yes, it is a third harmonic. Okay, so if you check the line voltage waveform Fourier series analysis, yes, only odd harmonics are present and all even and third harmonic will be absent. Third harmonic will be absent. Are you getting the point? Okay, so here we are having, yes, the third harmonic absent and the all even harmonics are absent. Why the third harmonic is absent? Because here the pulse width delta is equal to 120 degree. Okay, so due to that, yes, the third harmonic is absent, means we can say that only odd means first harmonic, first fundamental component is present. After that directly the fifth, seventh, after that ninth, 11th, 13th and so on. Okay, these harmonics will be present in the VAB, right? Next, let us discuss the Fourier series analysis of phase voltage waveform. Okay, Fourier series analysis of phase voltage waveform, right? So let us put the heading Fourier series analysis phase voltage waveform. Fourier series analysis. Fourier series analysis. Okay, so if you check in these waveforms, yes, VAN of omega t, right, can be represented as, yes, according to the Fourier series, VAN of omega t can be represented as A0 by 2 plus summation over n is equal to 1 2 3 up to the infinity an into cos of n omega t plus bn into sine of n omega t. Okay, so again if you check for this waveform, a0 by 2 is the average value. What is the average value of van of omega t? Yes, if you check the average value of this waveform, yes, whatever the wave shape we are having from 0 to pi, the same we are having from pi to 2 pi, but it is a negative. So what is the average value? Average value should be 0, right? So here we can write a0 by 2 is equal to 0. Okay, next, can we write an? Yes, as we know, an is 0 for, yes, we can write an is equal to 0 for odd function or odd signal or odd waveform. Yes, so if you check here van of omega t, right, from 0 to pi we're having this wave shape. Okay, so from 0 to minus pi, what will the waveform? Yes, whatever the negative pulse we're having here, the same will be here for 0 to minus pi. Okay, so it is like a odd function, so an value will be equal to 0, right? An is also equal to 0 because van is odd signal, right? Van is odd signal. Okay, so here we can write as van is a odd signal. Yes, because VAN is odd signal, right, or odd function. So therefore AN is 0. Next, can we find BN? Yes, BN is equal to, we can write 2 by T. Instead of T, we can write it as a, in terms of angle, 2 by 2 pi, integration from 0 to 2 pi. Yes, it is a VAN of omega T into sine of n omega T into d omega T, right? So further we can simplify it as is equal to 1 by pi. Yes, so we can simplify it as, yes, integration 0 to 2 pi can be divided into 6 intervals, right? So it is a integration from 0 to pi by 3. Doing 0 to pi by 3, it is a VDC by 3 into sine of n omega T into d omega T plus integration from pi by 3 to 2 pi by 3. Yes, what is the value? 2 VDC by 3 into sine of n omega T into d omega T plus, we can write it as integration from 2 pi by 3 to pi. Yes, it is VDC by 3 into sine of n omega T into d omega T plus integration from pi to 4 pi by 3, right? What is the value? Minus VDC by 3 into sine of n omega T into d omega T plus, yes, we can write it as a integration from, yes, 4 pi by 3 to 5 pi by 3. The value is minus 2 VDC divided by 3 into sine of n omega T into d omega T plus integration from 5 pi by 3 to 2 pi. Yes, it is again minus VDC by 3 into sine of n omega T into d omega T. Okay. So further we can simplify these 6 integrations, right? We can take VDC by 3 outside. Okay. So this can be written as, yes, we can write it as a VDC by 3 pi. Okay. So this can be written as VDC by 3 pi is equal to VDC by 3 pi into, yes, integration is omega T, right? So here it was a only VDC by 3, okay, and we have taken this outside. So it is like a integration of sine of n omega T. It is a minus cos of n omega T, right? So you can put it as a minus cos of n omega T divided by n, right? Limit 0 to pi by 3. This is the one term plus 2 into, yes, we can write it as a minus cos of n omega T divided by n, limit pi by 3 to 2 pi by 3 plus, yes, for the third integration we can write it as, it is minus cos of n omega T divided by n. Yes, it is minus cos of n omega T divided by n, limit 2 pi by 3 to pi, right? Next, plus, I am writing it as a plus because here we are having minus minus minus, right? So take the minus outside, so it is a minus of minus cos, right? So it is a plus cos. Okay, so it is a plus cos of n omega T divided by n, limit pi to 4 pi by 3. Okay, plus, next we can write it as a, yes, it is 2 into cos of n omega T divided by n, limit 4 pi by 3 to 5 pi by 3 plus this can be written as integration of sine, it is a minus cos and that minus, so it is a cos of n omega t divided by n, limit it is a 5 pi by 3 till 2 pi. Okay, so this is the term we are having. Okay, right, next can we put the values? Yes, so from this we can write it as equal to, so is equal to vdc by 3 pi, yes, is equal to vdc by 3 pi, take n outside. Okay, so it is a 3n pi, vdc by 3n pi into, yes, we can write it as into, again I am writing it as in curly bracket, right, it is minus cos of n omega t, right, so it is a minus cos of n pi by 3, minus cos of n pi by 3, okay, plus cos 0, okay, right, lower limit. So next plus 2 into, right, plus 2 into, we can write it as, yes, minus cos of 2n pi, minus cos of 2n pi by 3, okay, plus cos of n pi by 3, okay, this is the second term, right. Similarly we can write for the third term, it is a minus cos of, right, it is a n pi, minus cos of n pi plus cos of, yes, we can write it as 2n pi, okay, 2n pi by 3, okay, this is the one bracket, plus, now here it is cos of, we can write it as a cos of 4n pi by 3, cos of 4n pi by 3 minus cos of n pi, right, this is the one bracket. Next the fifth one, it is plus 2 into, yes, it is plus 2 into, we can write it as a plus 2 into, yes, cos of 5n pi, 5n pi by 3 minus cos of 4n pi by 3, right, plus last bracket, it is a cos of 2 pi n minus cos of, yes, 5n pi by 3, okay, is this clear? In this way we can write, okay, so further we can simplify it as, let us check the terms which cancel out, yes, if you check, it is cos 0 is 1 minus cos of n pi by 3, here it is a plus 2 cos of n pi by 3, okay, so out of that one cos will go, it will get cancelled, okay, so it is like only cos of 2 cos n pi by 3 minus cos n pi by 3, okay, so we can write it as a vdc by 3 n pi into, right, in bracket cos 0 I am writing it as a 1 plus, let us check for the cos of n pi by 3, so it is a cos of n pi by 3, okay, 2 minus 1, okay, next if you check here, it is a minus cos of minus 2 into cos of 2 n pi by 3, and here it is a plus, right, so it will be 1 minus will be there, so minus cos of 2 n pi by 3 will remain, right, between these two. Next here minus cos n pi, and here it is minus cos n pi, so it is a minus 2 into cos of n pi will remain, right. Next after this, here it is a cos of 4n pi by 3, and here it is a minus 2 into cos of 4n pi by 3, so we can write it as a, yes, we can write it as, yes, this can be written as, I am writing it as 4 cos of 4 n pi by 3, and this is minus. Okay, so it is a minus. I am writing here minus cos of 4 n pi by 3. Okay, this is the one term. Next, if you check for cos of minus cos of n pi, we have already considered, right? Minus cos n pi we have already considered, right? So next, here it is a cos of my plus 2 cos of 5 n pi by 3, and here it is minus cos of 5 n pi by 3. So it is a plus cos of 5 n pi by 3. Okay, so one will remain as it is, and plus cos of 2 pi n. Are you getting the point? Is this clear? Okay, so if you check here, we'll be having the terms like, yes, 1 minus cos of n pi by 3, let's check once. So it is a minus cos n pi by 3, this is plus cos, okay, 2 times, so it is a cos of n pi by 3, it will remain as it is. Okay, so next, yes, so it is a 1 minus cos 2 cos n pi, right? Yeah, so let us further simplify it as, yes, if you check, it is equal to, yes, we can write it is equal to VDC divided by 3n pi into, right, so we can write it as a 1 plus cos of n pi by 3. Okay, so next, what is the cos of 1 plus cos of n pi by 3? Keep it as it is, minus cos of 2n pi by 3, minus cos of 2n pi by 3, right? What is the cos of n pi? Cos of n pi, let us consider n is 1, so cos pi is equal to minus 1, right? Cos 2 pi, it is a plus 1, right? Cos 3 pi minus 1, so this can be written as minus 2 into minus 1 to the power n, right? Next, minus, this can be written as cos of 4n pi by 3, okay, plus cos of 5n pi by 3, okay, and next, plus cos of 2 pi n, it is a always 1, okay, so it is a 1, so we can write it as is equal to VDC by 3n pi, right? So this is equal to VDC by 3n pi, okay, into 2, right? 1 plus 1 2, okay, minus 2 into minus 1 to the power n, okay, plus cos of n pi by 3, right? This is the one term, cos of n pi by 3 minus cos of 2n pi by 3, right? Next, minus cos of 4n pi by 3, okay, plus cos of 5n pi by 3, okay. In this way we will be getting, right? So now this is the expression for Bn, right? Now can we check it for different values of n? Okay, if we check it for different values of n, okay, different values of n, then we can write it as, then this can be written as, yes, we can write for n is equal to 1, for n is equal to 1, we can write Bn is equal to, yes, it is a VDC by 3n pi, as it is VDC by 3 pi actually, okay, into, let us consider this bracket, what will happen, okay, so it is a 2 minus 2 into minus 1 to the power, right, minus 1 to the power 1, right? Next, this is the term we are having, plus cos of 1 into 180 by 3, okay, minus cos of 2 into 1 into 60, right, pi by 3 it is, right, minus cos of 4 into 1 into 60, okay, plus cos of 5 into 1, 5 into 60, okay. So in this way we can write, right, plus cos, here it is minus cos, minus cos, minus cos, right, 1 plus cos, okay. So if you check this value, it is equal to 6, okay. So into 6 it will be, for n is equal to 1, so it is a 6 vdc by 3 pi, okay, or we can write it as a 6 into vdc by 3 pi, so is equal to 2 vdc by pi, 2 into vdc, right, let us write this d small, 2 into vdc by pi, right, 2 vdc by pi. Are you getting the point? 2 vdc by pi. Next, for n is equal to 2, if we check for n is equal to 2, so this can be written as for n is equal to 2, or n is equal to 2. Yes, we can write bn is equal to vdc by 6 pi, okay, into the bracket. Let us check the bracket value, okay. So it is n is equal to 2, right. Yes, n is equal to 2, okay. So it will be 0, right. So this term will be 0. What is bn? Bn is equal to 0, right. If you check for n is equal to 3, bn, right, for n is equal to 3, if you check bn, it is also vdc by 9 pi, okay, into the bracket. For n is equal to 3, let us check, or n is equal to 3, right, it is a n is equal to 3, okay. For n is equal to 3, okay. 3 pi by 3. Next we are having, it is a 2n pi, okay. So for n is equal to 3, okay. Next, right, so in this way we can proceed, and we will be getting, it is again 0. For n is equal to 3 also it is a 0, 0, right. For n is equal to 4, if we check, for n is equal to 4, or n is equal to 4, yes, bn, it is a vdc upon, yes, 12 pi, it will be 12 pi, right, 3 into 4, so it will be 12 pi, right. So it is a 12 pi vdc upon 12 pi into, let us check what is there in the bracket, okay. So for n is equal to 4, if you put n is equal to 4 here, n is equal to 4, yes, for n is equal to 4 it is again 0, so this term will become 0, right. For n is equal to 5, we can check, it is a bn is equal to, for n is equal to 5, bn is equal to, it is a vdc divided by 15 pi, okay, 15 pi into, let us check what will be there in the bracket, okay. For n is equal to 5, right. So if you check, it is a 6 again, okay. So it is a 6 vdc by 15 pi, 6 vdc by 15 into pi, okay. So for n is equal to 5, it is a 6 vdc by 15 pi. Similarly we can check for n is equal to 6, bn value, yes, it is a vdc upon 18 pi into this bracket, okay. If you check, it will be 0, so is equal to 0 only. Okay, for n is equal to 6. Next, for n is equal to 7, for n is equal to 7, yes, it is Bn is equal to, it is VDC upon 21 pi into, yes, if you check for n is equal to 7, it will be like n is equal to 7. So we can get for n is equal to 7, yes, it is equal to 6 again. Okay, so this term will be 6, so it is a 6 VDC by 21 pi, 6 VDC by 21 pi, right? Similarly, if you check for n is equal to 8, it will be 0. N is equal to 8, it will be 0. N is equal to 9, it will be 0. Okay, so for n is equal to 8, Bn, it will be 0. For n is equal to 9, for n is equal to 9, yes, again Bn will be equal to 0. For n is equal to 10, yes, Bn is equal to 0. Okay, so it is like, if you check the Bn values, if you check the Bn values for n is equal to 1, it is a 2 VDC by pi, right? It is a 2 VDC by pi. For the second, third, fourth, it will be 0. For the fifth, it is 6 VDC by 15 pi. So we can write 6 VDC by 15 pi as 2 VDC divided by 5 pi, right? 2 VDC by 5 pi. Are you getting the point? Okay, so this can be written as 2 VDC by 5 pi. Similarly, for n is equal to 6, it is a 0. Next, it is a 6, for n is equal to 7, 6 VDC by 21 pi. This can be written as 2 VDC divided by 7 pi. Okay, next, n is equal to 8, 9, 10, it will be 0. For 11, it will be non-zero. Okay, so here, point to be noted, noted, the Bn is 0 for all even values of n. Bn is 0 for all even values of n, and also it will be 0 for all triple n. Okay, triple n means what? For n is equal to 3, n is equal to 6, n is equal to 9, n is equal to 12, n is equal to 15. Okay, so in general we can write Bn is equal to 0 for all even values of n and triple n, that is a 3 into n. Okay, 3n. Okay, 3n is nothing but, I am writing here, where 3n is nothing but triple n. We can say it as a triple n, right? Which is equal to, right? Which is equal to, triple n means what? 3 into 1, it is a 3. 3 into 2, it is a 6. 3 into 3, it is a 9. 3 into 4, it is a 12. 3 into 5, 15. 3 into 6, 18, and so on. Okay, so Bn is 0 for all even values of n and all 3n, that is a triple n, for triple n values of n. Okay, and Bn is a non-zero, right? If you check, the Bn is a non-zero. Bn is equal to, yes, we can write Bn is equal to 2 VDC divided by n pi, right? 2 VDC by n pi. 2 VDC by n pi. Bn is equal to 2 VDC by n pi for 2 VDC by n pi, right? For n is equal to 2 VDC by n pi, for n is equal to 1, n is equal to 5, n is equal to 7, n is equal to 11, n is equal to 17, etc. Right? So are you getting the point? Okay, so Bn is non-zero only for these values, right? It is like 1, 5, 7, 11, right? So after 1 there will be second, but second is even, so that's why Bn is 0. After second there is a third, but third is the triple n, right? So therefore Bn is 0. After 3 there is a 4, but 4 is even, so Bn is 0. So after 4 there is a 5, right? 5 is neither even nor the triple n, so 5 is present. Okay, similarly 6, 7, etc. Okay, so next, from this, can we write the expression for VAN of omega t? VAN of omega t. Yes, we can write the expression for VAN of omega t. is equal to, yes, we can write it as equal to summation over n is equal to, yes, it is a 1 5 7 11 17 dot up to the infinity. Okay, what is the value? It is a 2 VDC divided by n pi into sine of n omega t. Okay, this is the expression for VAN of omega t. Okay, further we can write this expression as, right, further we can write this expression as, okay, yes, this can be written as is equal to, therefore VAN of omega t, therefore VAN of omega t is equal to summation over n is equal to 6k plus or minus 1, 6k plus or minus 1 up to the infinity, right, up to the infinity. Yes, it is a 2 VDC divided by n pi into sine of n omega t, right, sine of n omega t, sine of n omega t. So this can be written as sine of n omega t, right? So where k is equal to, where k is equal to 0 1 2 3 up to the infinity. Okay, so if you check for k is equal to 1, why I have written it as 6k plus or minus 1? If you check for k is equal to 1, yes, for k is equal to 1, or if k is equal to 1, k is equal to 1, then it is a 6k plus minus 1. Okay, so it is a 6k plus or minus 1. So it indicates 6k plus 1. 6k plus 1 is a 6 into, sorry, k is 0 first, right? K is 0. So it is a 6 into 0 plus or minus 1. So it is a 1 and minus 1. Okay. So n is minus 1. Is it possible? No, because negative order of harmonic does not exist. Okay. So it is a n is equal to 1 only. Okay. Next, if k is equal to 1, if k is equal to 1, then we can write 6k plus or minus 1. So what is the n? Next n will be, so first n is 1, right? After that, if put k is equal to 1, it is a 6 into 1, that is 6 plus or minus 1. So 6 plus 1, 7, 6 minus 1, 5. So it is a 5 and 7. So if you check after first, there is a fifth harmonic direct. After first, we will be having the fifth harmonic, right? After fifth, there is the seventh. Okay. Similarly, if you check k is equal to 2, k is equal to 2, it is a 6k plus or minus 1, right? So it is a 6 into 2, that is a 12, 12 plus or minus 1. So it is a 11 and 13. Okay, 11 and 13. So if you check after 7th, there is a direct 11th, and after 11th, there will be the 13th, right? After 11th, yes, there will be 13th. Definitely, here after 11, there will be 13, and after that, the 16th will be there. Okay, so after 11, there will be 13th. Is this clear? Okay, so in this way, we can write the expression for VAN of omega t. This is nothing but the Fourier series expression of phase voltage, right? Fourier series expression for phase voltage of three-phase inverter for 180-degree conduction mode. Okay, in the next video we are going to discuss, okay, which harmonics will be present in the phase voltage and the line voltage of three-phase inverter 180-degree conduction mode. Thank you.